entire.
He was not died or murdered while discharging the duties.
Lordship, he was on active duty. His body was found inside the BSF because from the
No,
FIR.
inside the BSF, there must be a market, residence, and everything. But he was not deputed for a particular.
And he is going out without the permission of the senior officer, number second, and consuming a too much amount of the liquor.
Who is Jiten Singh Kushwaha?
My deceased sons, Your Lordship.
He is also in BSF.
Yes, sir.
That's why he must be advising her.
And the deceased has died not because of excessive consumption of country liquor, as evident from the post-mortem report, but due to a head injury. And after
Yes,
the
madam.
head injury, Lordship, I am facing IA number 8093 of 2022,
क्या है ये?
which is application to call for additional documents from the respondent. Lordship, in this case, the petitioner is claiming extraordinary pension as her husband, who was a head constable in BSF, had expired under suspicious circumstances. And from the evidences few evidences which is available to us, it appears that he was murdered while he was in active duty. But the respondents have not produced the entire copy of the records of staff court of inquiry, which was conducted by the authorities at that point of time. That is in Ikshit R1, Your Lordship. During this court of inquiry, evidences of witnesses were also taken, and the report of the inquiry was again referred for further examination.
File a reply to the site. Reply आइएगा.
आइएगा reply. अभी इस time में
रिकॉर्ड है कि नहीं ऐसा कोई जैसे डिमांड कर रहा है.
Lordship, a part of the record, three pages have been filed.
Let him take instruction of. ये तो 2022 की एप्लीकेशन है.
Yes, Lordship.
अभी तक देखी नहीं आपने?
Lordship, I am ready to argue the matter on merit on the basis of the reply because regarding the court of the inquiry reports, not all the proceeding is like submitted, only the P1 R1 is documented from record with the result of the inquiry is submitted. Saying Lordship, firstly, it is a matter of death in the year of 1981. Petitioner filed this petition in the year of 2021. So the cause of the delay has not been properly explained. And she is already getting the
Regular pension.
yes, Lordship. But
Under which provision, madam, you are claiming an extraordinary pension? Where is that provision in the rules? Where is that provision of extraordinary pension?
Lordship, Central Civil Services Extraordinary Pension Rules.
Like, under which circumstances this pension is liable to pay?
Lordship, 3A B.
Your finding क्या inquiry report की?
so the finding was that the petitioner husband was the Richard Tesla and he used to consume liquor from the illegal sources and he found that the dead body of the deceased were found in front of the house of a lady who used to sell the liquor, illegally sell the liquors. And his death was caused by excessive consumption of certain liquor and followed on the ground being imbalance.
Lordship, in this slide, I have attached the post-mortem report, which is at which is at page number 71. In the post-mortem report, the cause of death is hemorrhage in head, and there is no mentioning that any intoxication was found. Moreover, in the first information report, it has been mentioned that the deceased had gone to sleep in regular normal condition, and in the morning he was found to be dead. And even from the
Where is PM report?
page number 71.
71. Cause of death, hemorrhage and shock.
Lordship, in page number 69, there's a finding of the superintendent of police after investigation in this case. He has written that I write to inform to the commandant of BSF. I write to inform you that Dulu case number such and such has ended in final report as the case is true under section 302 IPC, but no clue. And even from the documents which has been produced as a part of court of inquiry, on perusal of this, Your Lordship, there is only additional findings which has been produced, but not the main finding which was of the court of inquiry. And in page number 19 of it is that the case involved recommendation of the court. Page number 19 of the reply, Your Lordship. The court recommends that the case be handed over to the Special Crime Branch of the Civil Police for further investigation and launching prosecution against Srimati Sushila Kumari Awang and Srimati Aminit Marik. The court also recommends that Constable Rajappan and other BSF personnel who may be suspended for any involvement may also be handed over, produced before the Civil Investigation Agency for any interrogation if and when required. Lordship, at least the entire
He was not died or murdered while discharging the duties.
Lordship, he was on active duty. His body was found inside the BSF because from the FIR.
No. Inside the BSF, there must be a market, residence, and everything. But he was not deputed for a particular.
He was on border outpost, Your Lordship. So it shall be considered as an active duty.
No. He's not supposed to work for 24 hours. Must be a duty hours and then resting hours. Then. So extraordinary pension is when while discharging the duties, if any accident happens and he sustained injury and thereafter death took place, then only extraordinary pension is liable to be. You can't compare your case with others.
Lordship, I was posted on
You
border.
are employed, that's why you are getting your husband was employee, you are getting pension. But for extraordinary, there must be some extraordinary circumstances. As defined under this act, आपके rules में ही लिखा हुआ है कि क्या extraordinary circumstances होंगे, then only.
Lordship,
And every death of government employee, extraordinary pension is not
that
likely
is
to be paid.
Lordship, but it is there that I have suffered head injury and that in
Yeah, but
the,
that is correct, a head injury, but that is not while discharging the duties
Lordship,
or any.
I don't have the BSF Act with me, Your Lordship. It is defined in subclause C, Your Lordship. The definition of active duty is there. And for a person who is there in border outpost, he is considered to be on active duty throughout 24 hours, Your Lordship. Moreover, even for a person who is returning towards to his post, he is considered to be on the active duty for these.
That is there also, that is notional extension of duty कहलाता है. ड्यूटी पे जाना और आना उस दौरान अगर कुछ होता है तो suppose he is going on a government vehicle and accident happens.
That-
He is treated on a accident during course of employment होता है.
Border
But there is
पे
no evidence that he sustained the head injury on any check post or any during duty hours. और ये
Lordship,
डेथ कब हुई है इसमें?
So 1981.
1982.
81 से आपको रेगुलर पेंशन मिल रही है.
Yes, sir.
Why there is a delay?
Lordship,
Of course, there is a recurring cause of action.
in the impugned order is of 2008, Your Lordship, 2007.
7.
Yeah, this is annexure R4. Lordship, since the petitioner is illiterate, she could not communicate, and this was produced in the reply, Your Lordship. We were not having copy of the impugned order. In paragraph 4 of this impugned order, which is page number 26 of the reply, they say that as per the SCOI proceedings, remarks of DIG and IG, he was a habitual drunkard and used to consume country brew from local and unauthorized sources. Death of above individual has been caused by excessive consumption of country liquor and thereafter fall on ground being imbalance which resulted in injuries and hemorrhage. Lordship, this is again, there is nothing on the record to substantiate this finding. Since there was no, even after repeated uh,
B2 page 20, the detailed remark has been accepted.
इतना पुराना रिकॉर्ड होगा आपके पास नहीं होगा इंक्वायरी
सर ये पेश किया पेज 2021 में इतना पुराना तो जो समथिंग जो हमारे पास रिमार्क्स अवेलेबल थे जिसमें कोर्ट इंक्वायरी का लिया पेज नंबर 21 देखेंगे इसके अंदर आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ द कोर्ट ऑफ द इंक्वायरी देन द
21 of your reply
यस लॉर्डशिप दैट इज R2
R2
all the remarks has been made regarding the petitioner's complaint.
कितना अंतर है पेंशन में रेगुलर में और एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी में
Lordship, last drawn pay मिलेगा.
पूरा
If हाँ.
And page number 12.
हम्म
I have gone with the proceeding of the court of inquiry. Additional proceeding of the court of inquiry and report of interrogation have found that number so and so had constable Ram Bhasan Singh was an habitual debtor and used to consume a country goods from local and unauthorized sources. On 21st of September 82, late constable Ram Bahadur Singh, constable Rajapan, constable Ram Kumar Singh, and constable Kamlal of the post has visited village Adamgiri in the evening where they were trying to get the country liquor but could not manage the same and thereafter they returned to the evening at 7:30 hours on the same day, 17:30 hours on the same day. Head Constable Ram Bahadur Singh did not take evening meal on 21st September 82 and went out for evening stroll. Since he could not get liquor at village Adamgiri, he went out from the same in the vicinity of the post Chandbui. There was a country liquor shop near the post of the Chandbui. It belongs to Srimati Amanta Karak. But late Ram Bahadur Singh did not take liquor from that shop. But there was a evidence as to where from no bad liquor. Then thereafter, Ram Bahadur Singh did not return to the BOP till 22:00 hours and until personnel went out for search. He was finally found behind the house of Srimati Amanta Marak, by Constable Rajapan in the separate angle position. He was lifted by the Constable Rajapan and brought to bar and put him on his bed. He was allowed to take rest by the senior most person of the post Nayak, now Head Constable Rakesh Kut on 22nd September 82. While Mazboy went to serve tea, Ram Bahadur Singh, the former, found something wrong. When Ram Bahadur Singh personnel on the barrack assembled and a message was sent to copy headquarters, accompanying Commander Lakshmi Nand Yadav, arrived with a civilian doctor who after examination declared Head Constable Ram Bahadur Singh was dead. The dead body was sent to Tura for postmortem and the police case was registered. Medical evidence disclosed that the death is caused due to injuries sustained by a blunt weapon leading to intracranial hemorrhage and shock. Investigation carried out by the police under section 302 and has been ended in as there was no clue. Constable Rajapan is suspicious and he is contradicted his statement in various. Constable Rajapan, number so Constable Vishnu and so Constable Ratanlal did not come out with fact in the initial stage. Ratanlal and GM Kulendra Sarma used to have country liquor from unauthorized sources. Rakesh Koch failed to report the absence of late Ram Bahadur Singh and subsequent events to copy headquarters on the night of 21st September 82. In my opinion, the death of the Ram Singh has been caused either by excessive consumption of country liquor and thereafter a fall ground being imbalanced, which resulted into as an average, or had altercation with certain persons after consumption of liquor and must which cut away by blunt weapons. There is no evidence on record or on any of the other cause of death. I, however, recommended disciplinary action against the following persons. Commandant to ensure posting of suitable reason as post commander in such vulnerable. This is not in here. Written warning to issue to the sub inspector so and so in their failure in maintaining discipline of their poised personnel of Kandubai BOP. It has been visited nearby civilian ladies' houses where consuming country liquor, which ultimately resulted in this tragic incident.
Hmm.
So the person is not on at the time on the post. Petitioner is very much aware that when we are on the R5 page 27, we are defer his revision application for extraordinary pension in the year of 2000. In the year of 2007, R4 page 26 clearly stated that moreover the same is not covered under the provision of CCS rules, hence EOP is not entitled to. Then she is very much aware that in the year of 2007, thereafter is filed the petition in the year of 2021.
फिर ये रिवीजन ऑफ फैमिली पेंशन का ऑर्डर है A5 का R5.
The revision of family pension, extra pension order is of, sir, there are prior to date is filing so many applications to the department, the department given each and every time given the reasons that कि आपकी पहले सेट की और ये application में clearly mention कर दिया कि you are not entitled for the extraordinary pension. Sir, if the that has been occurred at the on the post or during the time of the providing the service in the department, then he is definitely entitled for that. But at the time when he is not on the post, number one, and he is going out without the permission of the senior officer, number second, and consuming too much amount of the liquor. But thereafter, we are providing the pension as per the rule.
Who is Jiten Singh Kushwaha?
My deceased sons, Your Lordship.
He is also in BSF.
Yes, sir.
That's why he must be advising her.
Lordship, only after, because the petitioner is illiterate.
नहीं
I don't-
illiterate तो नहीं है, सिग्नेचर करती है, सब करती है. तो
Lordship,
ये he has been given compassionate appointment.
No.
Jiten Singh, हाँ,
on basis of merit.
ऐसा ही है, सब इंस्पेक्टर है. का son.
Lordship, guidelines have been framed for
एज
concealing.
83 पे है आपके P6 में. He is residing with her son. जम्मू. क्योंकि इलिटरेट लेडी को ये सब नहीं पता होगा कोर्ट ऑफ इंक्वायरी क्या होती है और
Lordship, that is why.
her son is advising her.
That is why she is sitting now, Your Lordship. And moreover, if she would have had the copy of the impugned order, which is annexed to that report, we would have annexed it in the file. Because we were not, since we were not having the copy, in spite of many correspondences, Your Lordship, it has been produced by the respondents. Moreover, Your Lordship, regarding the delay, since it is a recurring cause of action, each month the cause of action is being renewed. The reason of delay will not come in line, and the government has framed guidelines for conceding attributability of disablement and death to government service. Your Lordship, point number 2 of these guidelines provide that in deciding on the issue of entitlement, all the evidences, both direct and circumstantial, will be taken into account and the benefit of reasonable doubt will be given to the claimant. This benefit will be given more liberally to the claimant in field service cases. In this case, Your Lordship, the deceased was in a field service case, and later on, after 4C, it provides that this benefit will be given more liberally to the claimant in cases occurring on active service as defined in the relevant Act rules. Your Lordship, the active service has been defined in the definition part of the BSF Act. Since I am not having the Act, as of now, I cannot place it before the court. So, on the manner in which it has been defined, Your Lordship, any person who is posted in a border outpost, he or she he shall be considered to be on active duty throughout 24 hours, Your Lordship. And the deceased has died not because of excessive consumption of country liquor, as evident from the post-mortem report, but due to a head injury. And after the head injury, from the in the FIR, nothing has been mentioned that he had been carried from outside the post to the post. Lordship, I will place the FIR which is at page number 70. this is to inform that on 22/9/1982, I have been informed that message from my BOP Chandbui that number such and such Ram Bahadur Singh, in charge BOP, died today, that is 22/9/1982 at about 5:30, which was noticed by BOP personnel. The exact time of death cannot be ascertained as he slept around 22:20 in normal circumstances. So, Lordship, if it was a case that he was carried from outside the station, it should have been mentioned in the first instance in the FIR itself. And even in
FR report है आपके पास? FIR की closer report है आपके पास?
closer report, page number 69 पे,
69 of lecture? वो तो एक लाइन की पहले पढ़ दी आपने वो तो मैंने वो नहीं डेटेड
हमें जो सप्लाई किया गया वो बस यही.
नहीं सप्लाई किया गया you could have obtained under RTI.
You have made many correspondences, Your Lordship. This is the only thing.
तो आपको पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से लेनी चाहिए थी ना इनके पास थोड़ी होगी BSF के पास. You should have applied their police station. Police station submit a report to FIR before the concerned court. ठीक है देखते क्या